First, let's take a look at the design of the 11-inch iPad Pro. As you can see here, the iPad Pro features a thin bezel and a flat edge design, which makes it really easy to carry around and hold with one hand. And now let's move on to the camera system. The iPad Pro has a front-facing camera right here in the top bezel that features a 12 megapixel ultra wide camera with center stage feature that automatically pans and zooms to keep subjects in frame. As for the rear facing cameras, you have a 12 megapixel wide camera and a 10 megapixel ultra wide camera, which makes it great for taking photos and videos. The iPad Pro can also shoot in 4K at 60 frames per second, which is pretty impressive for a tablet. For the display, the 11-inch iPad Pro features a liquid retina display with a resolution of 2388 by 1668 pixels that offers a great viewing experience with vibrant colors and deep blacks. The display also features ProMotion technology that supports a refresh rate of up to 120 Hz, which automatically adjusts the refresh rate based on the content being displayed. So whether you're scrolling through web pages or playing your games, it will feel smooth and responsive. Now let's take a closer look at the performance and features of the iPad Pro 11-inch. Moving on to performance, the 11-inch iPad Pro is powered by the Apple M1 chip. What this means is that the iPad Pro offers super fast performance and can handle even the most demanding tasks with ease. Whether you're editing 4K video or playing graphics intensive games, the iPad Pro will deliver a smooth and lag-free experience. As for features, the 11-inch iPad Pro offers some great features that make it the perfect device for creative professionals. For example, it supports the Apple Pencil 2, which is perfect for artists who want to sketch and draw on their iPad. The Magic Keyboard is a game changer for anyone who wants to use their iPad as a laptop replacement. It has a built-in trackpad and backlit keys, and it connects magnetically to the iPad Pro for a seamless typing experience. The iPad Pro also features a USB-C port, which makes it easy to connect to external displays or other peripherals. The 11-inch third generation iPad Pro is a great tablet that offers exceptional performance and features, whether you're a creative professional who needs a powerful device to work on the go, or if you're a casual user who wants a versatile device for entertainment and productivity, the iPad Pro is definitely worth considering. With its sleek design, stunning display, and powerful performance, the iPad Pro is one of the best tablets on the market today.